Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a stunning clinic services list using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a beautiful component like the one you're seeing on the screen right now. Let's start by creating a basic structure for our component. We'll wrap everything in a div with some padding using the class P4. Next, we add a white background to our component using the BG White class. To give our component some depth, we'll add a shadow using the shadow class. Let's round the corners of our component by adding the rounded class. To center our component and limit its width, we'll use the max-auto classes. Now let's add a title to our component using an h2 tag with text-lg and font bold classes. We'll start a list of services by adding a UL element with a top margin using mount 4. Let's add our first service, consultation, inside a list item with a bottom border and vertical padding using border B and PY2. Next, we'll add a second service, dental checkup, with the same styling. Finally, we'll add a third service, surgery, without a bottom border to indicate it's the last item. To enhance interactivity, let's add a hover effect to each service using hover, BG Gray 100. For a more structured layout, we'll use a grid with gap 4 to space out the services. Let's make our services more visually appealing by adding icons. We'll use placehold.co to generate placeholder images and align them with the text using Flex and Item Center. To make the icons look more polished, we'll round them using the Rounded Full class. Let's provide more information by adding the duration of each service. We'll use Flex1 to space out the text and text-sm for the duration details. Our component is already responsive thanks to Tailwind's utility classes. It will adjust beautifully across different screen sizes. To prevent our component from sticking to the edges, let's add some margin to the body. Let's review our component. It looks clean, organized, and user-friendly. We've successfully used Tailwind CSS to create an appealing clinic services list. Remember, you can customize this component further by adding more services or changing the styles to suit your needs. Congratulations on completing this tutorial. You've built a stylish and functional clinic services list with Tailwind CSS. Keep experimenting and happy coding. And there you have it, a beautiful and functional clinic services list built with Tailwind CSS. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave a comment below, like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Tailwind. Thanks for watching.